Hello, good day. So for today, we're going to have another activity. We're going to create 5 sheets. Okay, first, let's open a Word Excel. Automatically save your worksheet. Save it on your desktop. Save it as activity 3. So your title bar changes into your file name, which is activity 3. So type NOH school for crippled children. Next is type ICT section. Okay. Sheet 1 will serve as your master sheet. The subheading number, last name, first name, and middle initial. For column E, type quiz 1. For column F, quiz 2. For column G, quiz AVE, average quiz. For column H, exam. And for the last column, which is column I, first grading. So highlight till I, center, bold, font size is 12. Let's merge NOH School for Crippled Children. So the first column is A. What is the last column? It's I. So highlight. From the first column to the last column, merge. Okay. Bold. Font size 16. Color blue. Click the drop down arrow, more colors, blue. Click OK. So we're going to use the format painter. Okay. We will copy the format of NOH School for Crippled Children. Click format painter, copy it here at ICT section, click highlight. You have to drag it till the last column, which is I. That's it. Double click the column to auto fit the width. Number 1, 2. Auto increment. How to auto increment? Highlight the 2 numbers, drag till 10. So for last name, type 5, Herbert, C, period, Estrella, Eduardo, A, Balatbat, Kathleen, S, Lopez, Maria, Sarina, F, Vidal, Nikki, M. Sulit, Raimundo, L, Vidal, Edney, S, Dinglasan, Zaira, M, Menor, Joyce Millet B. And the last one is Naram Mark Edison D. Okay. As you can see, Mark Edison D and Joyce Millet, Maria Zarina, those who has long first name, you have to auto-fit the width of the cell. So your mouse pointer should be here at C, double click. It automatically fits. Hahabulin nyo yung pinakamalaki or pinakamahabang first name. Okay. So for quiz, please type 92, 100 for quiz 1, 91, 75, 79, 85, 90, 90, 78, 100. Okay. For quiz 2, 90, 100, 90, 100, 100, 90, 95, 76, 82, and 50. Okay. For average, the formula for average is is equal to quiz 1 plus quiz 2 divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula. Let's highlight. For the exam, 90, 100, 80, 75, 90, 95, 93, 86, 94, and 70. Okay. For first grading, this is the formula. The formula is quiz AVE, or the average quiz, for you not to be confused, binabago ko para makarelate kayo. Average quiz times 60% plus exam times 40%. We're using the open and close parentheses. Ito yung open parentheses and then the close parentheses to emphasize yung sequence ng gagamitin mo ng mathematical operations. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may operations na first, di ba? Ita-times mo muna yung average ng quiz into 60% bago mo i-add yung exam na i-multiply mo muna sa 40%. Tama? Let's make it bold. So, ang average quiz at ang first grading ay may formulas. So, if you're contented, satisfied ka na dito sa iyong master sheet, lagyan na natin siya ng borders. Naglagay ako ng border and then I will put also a thick border. Mas maganda kasing tingnan. Okay na siya. Highlight. We are going to copy it on the second sheet, third sheet, fourth sheet. Okay. So, let's add second sheet, sheet 3, and then sheet 4. So, sabi ko sa inyo, you have to create 5 sheets. O, ito pang 5. Yung sheet 1, rename natin siya as first grading. Yung second sheet, re-rename natin siya as second grading. Ano bang ginagawa natin? We are trying to make Excel format of computations of the grades of the students. Third grading. Fourth grading. And then the sheet 5 is for final grading. So, itong master sheet natin, ikakopy natin siya sa second grading, third grading, fourth grading. Papaano? So, we're going to use referencing. Pero, syempre, para makopy pati itong NOH, School for Crippled Children, lahat-lahat, let's copy it into the simplest way of copying. So, click this one, yung arrow na to. Control-C, shortcut key from your keyboard. Go to second grading, Control-V. Okay. Go to third grading, Control-V. Go to fourth grading, dapat nasa A1 ka. That's the starting cell. Control-V. Okay. Stop na tayo doon. Hindi natin siya i-copy sa final grading. So, let's go back to the second grading. Okay. Second grading, palitan natin to ng second grading. Okay. Then, highlight. Di-delete niyo siya lahat. Delete. Delete. Siyempre, nagbago na siya ng quiz, di ba? Third grading. Delete. Bakit ko din i-delete ito? Yung name. Siyempre, ang exam sa quiz hindi naman constant yan. Malay natin kung yung quiz 1 niya noong third grading, bumaba siya or tumaas siya. So, binubura natin. Then, papalitan natin to third grading. Kasi nasa third grading ka na. And then, the fourth grading, buburahin natin siya. Okay, delete. Okay, gagawin natin fourth grading. Okay, bakit? Bakit kaya tinatanggal natin yung last name and first name? Because we're going to use referencing. Malay ko, kung mali pala tong last name ni 5. Di ba? So, put an equal sign under the last name. Go to the first grading, which is your master sheet. Click 5, enter. Okay? Click mo, drag pa kanan, drag pa baba. Okay. Okay na? Okay, let's go back to the third grading. Equal sign uli. Dito, go to your master sheet, which is yung first grading mo. Click si 5, enter. Click mo, drag pa kanan, drag pa baba. Okay, tapos na. Fourth grading. Equal sign again. Go to the first grading, which is your master sheet. Click 5, enter. Click mo siya ulit, drag mo pa kanan, drag mo pa baba. Okay, example. Yung 5 niya, yung Herbert pala, yung Herbert may H. Ang papalitan mo lang ay yung first grading. Lagyan natin yung may H na yan. Okay. Automatically, your second grading sheet, third grading, and fourth grading, mag-a-update. Yung Herbert niya magkakaroon ng H. Let's look, okay? Nasa second grading ka. Yan o, may H na. Third grading, may H na. Fourth grading, may H na. Okay. Sa second grading, huhulaan ko, maglalagay ako ng 100. 90, 90, 90. Lahat 90. So, how to copy? Click mo lang. Control-C from your keyboard. Highlight mo hanggang saan mo siya i-copy. Control-V. Ang quiz 2 niya, 95. Lahat 95. Click mo lang siya, Control-C from your keyboard, highlight mo kung hanggang saan mo siya ipipaste, Control-V. Ang exam niya, 100. Click mo, lahat sila, 100. Control-V. Okay? Ganun lang kadali para makita nyo agad yung result. So, ganun din ang formula niya. Okay. For the second grading, average ng quiz times 60%. Okay? Ang magiging result nun, plus the exam, na times 40%. So, third grading, lagyan natin lahat 100. Control D. Para mabilis. 80. Control C. Copy mo. Control V. Control V. Okay. Control V. Okay, class. Bakit, ma'am, ba't di mo na lang i-drag? Drag pababa ang pagka-copy mo. Class, look, kung i-drag ko siya pababa, okay. Okay, nakikita mo 80 siya. Okay. Kasi nasanay na si computer na you're always copying and pasting as 80. Okay? Kung ano yung kinopy mo, yun din ang gusto mong i-paste. Pero ito, tignan ninyo. Okay, nag-press escape ako sa keyboard, 80. Okay. Pag dinrag ko yan, may times, nag-i-increment siya. Okay? Nag-i-increment minsan yan. Kaya be aware din. Pwede naman kayo mag-drag down. Drag down mo. Okay, 80 pa rin. Makikita nyo. Okay. For our final grading, ang format niya ganito. Okay, let's copy this one. Copy pa rin natin yung master sheet. Kasi ang kokopyahin natin, yung heading, dapat nasa A1. Control V. Okay na siya. Kaso ito, okay, this is last name. Name lang ang nakalagay. Nag-alt enter ako para bumaba yung cursor. Ang nandyan ay first name. Etong format. First name, MI, last name. So, sample niyan ay, alt enter, Herbert, C, 5. Pero, syempre, hindi nyo na siya itatype, diba? Gagawa nyo na siya ng formula. Okay, anong gagawin natin dito? Sa first hanggang middle, initial, i-delete nyo na. Delete. Okay. So, ito na lang natira. Okay. Tapos ito, yung mga heading, papalitan nyo na. Etong first, gagawin mo gender. Tapos, first grading. Paanong grade niya? Final grade niya sa first grading. Tapos dito naman, second grading. Ito naman, third grading. Ito naman ay fourth grading. And the last one, final grade. Okay. So, gagamit na naman tayo ng okay, buti na lang nag-automatically ginaya niya yung fourth grading. Pero kung hindi niya kinapi yung format ng mga nandito, okay, ang gagawin mo, click, diba, format painter, and then paste mo siya doon sa final grade. So, gawin nga natin para makopy pati itong tick box, tick borderline. So, click mo, format painter, copy mo dito. Tingnan mo, may tick box na siya. Okay? Ito naman, dito tayo, copy, highlight, format painter. Ang format painter, yung format lang kinakopy niya, hindi yung value. Hindi niya sinasama yung value. So, okay. Delete natin to. Kasi lalagyan na, gagawin natin, i-combine natin. So, yung formula again, equal sign, go to the first grading, which is your master sheet. Diba? Herbert muna, enter. Click mo to, tas dito maglagay ka. Pumunta ka sa formula bar, ang gagawin mo, end sign, diba? Open quotation, space bar, close quotation, end sign. Pumunta ka ulit sa first grading, eto, yung MI, enter. Click mo uli, pero dito ka mag-edit para di ka malito sa formula bar. Maglalagay ka ulit ng end sign. Okay. Ano ilalagay mo? After nun, syempre may space pa rin, di ba? Para dun sa last name. So, maglalagay ka ng open quotes, space, close quote, then pumunta ka sa first grading, which is yung master sheet mo, 5, enter. Okay. Final grading, tignan natin. Ensign, first grading, 5, enter. Okay. So, yan na siya. Click mo lang, drag mo lang siya pababa. Delete natin to. Delete natin siya. First grading, equal sign, punta ka sa first grading. Kung anong grade niya, click mo. Okay. Second grading, equal sign. Kung anong grade niya, enter ka. Kaya ibig sabihin, bago ka pumunta dito sa final grading, make sure na naglagay ka na ng formula dito sa first grading para sa average ng quiz, para sa first grading niya. Okay. Second grading, dapat naglagay ka na rin ng average quiz niya, second grading, etc. Third grading, equal sign. Go to the third grading. Dito yon kasi lalabas, enter. Okay. Fourth grading, equal sign. Punta ka sa fourth grading, ito yon. Kung ito yung magiging grade niya. Okay. Enter. O, ayan, di ba lumabas na? Pero sa fourth grading, itong 80 na to, Control X, nandito yan dapat sa exam. Para sa final grading, ang formula ay average from first grading up to fourth grading. Di ba alam niyo naman na yung gamit ng colon? Ito yung colon. Ang gamit niyan, up to, hanggang. Simula, hanggang saan? Okay. Tapos, how are we going to equal sign ulit tayo, fourth grading. Enter. Dito may formula yan. Okay, save your file.